Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna make some super easy stickers. Well, one of them anyway, kind of like this one. You can download onto one of the print-on-demand websites or just for yourself and print it out. It's pretty cute and very easy to make. I used Canva and my drawing app I have on my iPad and my iPhone. You can see here I started drawing. If you want more information on how I use this app, please go check out the video. I will link up there, and you should watch that one first so you know how to use the app I use. Super easy. Of course, if you have Procreate, then don't worry about it, use that one. Whatever app you use is just fine for drawing. Just find this one super easy to use. So as you can see, I just started with a cup. It's supposed to be a takeout cup, and it will be a coffee cup, as you will see really soon. I used a few drawing markers, and this one, the lighter shading, is made with the watercolor or brush tool. I just tried a few variations until I got the one I liked. Yeah, and just played around. This is the fun part, or sometimes it's a frustrating part because I'm not very good at digital drawing, but you know, I'm getting the hang of it. I'm more of a loose, whatever comes out of my head drawing rather than a specific drawing I have to do. Then I struggle a little bit. As you probably noticed by now, this is actually not exactly the same cup I drew before. I started all over again, but it's the same thing I did. So I just added a bean on the bottom. I thought it was kind of cute, and did some, I don't know, highlights. I tried out a little bit, played with it, and then I put a little bit of a background on there and played with the writing a little bit, and then I exported it and exported into my photo folder, and then exported it into Canva. Then I open it up. Now I'm just getting rid of the background. I actually already put that round circle thing on there, but then I remember I needed to get rid of the background, so there's the tool up there again. If you want more information on exactly how to use Canva, I can't remember if I have a video on it. If yes, I will link it. If not, then I will make one. So I'm just decided to make a round sticker. I just kind of like round stickers. Made a border and changed the colors. As you can see, there's lots of colors, and I made them match the colors that the cup is, because the Canva comes up with, finds the colors and matches them to the painting if you want. So up there you can see. Then I did the syringe because this is all about the vaccine. Find out pretty soon what I'm up to. And I used, I like that font, so I'm lazy. There might be one I can go through, but I just used this one. Got rid of that little font thing I don't need, and then I started typing. I have to find the right spelling because English is not my forte. And when I was done typing, I went to the effects tab, and you can see now there's that round curvy shape available, so I turned it into that. I think that's cuter on a round sticker. And I just positioned the syringe. I always struggle a little bit with that, but I think when you first download insert the round, like the outline, it's kind of easier to move them around. I just have to get used to the layers on here. Again, it's like easy to use. You don't have to go save it again and go back and save it again. Like in, I think, Photoshop, you have to do that. It's too complicated for me, so I just use this. Try to position it a little more central, because I don't know, kind of looked funny. And then I just uploaded it to make sure I upload it with this transparent background, so I can use it as a sticker. There you go. Here, it's in my folder now, so no more background. If you like these kind of videos, you make sure to subscribe, like, and share, and ring that bell so you will notified when there's no videos coming up. Because next year, I'm going to stock up my Etsy shop with printables. Also, my Redbubble shop. If you like this cute little sticker, I will be available in my shop Redbubble shop. I'll link it below. So have a good day and see you in the next one.